Hello everyone, good evening. This time it's a green gear up right now. Here I am going to test my audio and video as well as TVS SA mobile charger. First of all, I connect mic with this mobile. Here I'm going to connect the mic with this mobile. Are you able to hear me? Hello. How's my audio right now? Here I connected my mic with this Prism Live app, and I'm going to connect my testing this TVS SA mobile charger right now. So here I go. I think I got this short cable right now. तो थोड़ा सा short आ गया cable. Don't worry, I do it on next time. And I drive from this from the point Sheila Maggie Point somewhere Model Town. Civil Lines near GTB Khalsa College, North Campus, and I proceed towards NS79B over a bridge. I reach there within 20 minutes or 30 minutes, depending on the traffic conditions. I reach there. The purpose of the stream is to check the video clarity while doing live streaming through Prism app, and to get to know the audio output, audio clarity. I put the mic with the in the slot of my mobile. I'm testing with the mobile right now. So here we go. I need to check the internet connectivity as well as three things I need to confirm. One is the audio, second is about the video, third is about the internet connectivity. And during streaming, let's see how I got the results. Shaky video, blurry video. How's the audio output? I need to check this out. This is a trial and error method kind of thing. Okay, here we go. मैं इसको बाद में कंफर्म करूँगा आफ्टर द स्ट्रीमिंग कि हाउस माई ऑडियो एंड वीडियो क्लैरिटी। तो भाई साहब ध्यान से पीछे भी देख लो यार। तो ये भी ठोक जाते हैं मेरे को, आजकल बड़े लोग ठोकते हैं गाड़ियाँ वाड़ियाँ। ठंड वंड वैसी है तभी तो थोड़ी अजीब सी है। आई नीड टू चेक द क्लैरिटी ऑफ दिस वीडियो एज वेल एज ऑडियो ड्यूरिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। और आई विल टॉक OBS जो रियल टाइम पे स्ट्रीमिंग होता है उसका सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह होते हैं, OBS स्ट्रीमिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स वगैरह होते हैं। आई नीड टू कंसिडर दैट आल्सो, बट हियर आई एम टेस्टिंग द मोबाइल स्ट्रीमिंग, installed Prism Live app in my mobile. Towards NH79B, I need to check the audio clarity as well as video output during the stream. I need to check also the real time streaming. I mean the real time capturing of this live video. ये कैसे होता है और उसको भी आई नीड टू चेक दैट आल्सो। Able to hear me or not? If you're not able to hear me, please say no in chat box. If you're not able to hear me, please say me no in the chat box. Hello, if you are unable to hear me, please say no in chat box. Hello everyone. If you are not able to hear me, please say no in chat box. I'm testing this mic during live stream. As Prism Live app installed inside my mobile. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? हेलो, are you able to hear me? Testing, checking the mic as well as the stream audio video clarity with a minimal budget, streaming during mobile, with the help of mobile only. Are you able to hear me? If you are able to hear me, say yes. Otherwise, say no in chat box. Hello, everyone. If you are able to hear me, please say yes. Otherwise, say no in chat box. Checking audio and video output. Are you able to hear me? Please say yes or no in chat box. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Are you able to hear me? If you are able to hear me, please say yes. Otherwise, say no in chat box. Here I'm testing my this audio output as well as video. Okay, don't worry. Hello everyone. Are you able to hear me? Hello everyone, are you able to hear me? If yes, please say yes in chat box. Otherwise, no. No in comment box. Hello everyone, are you able to hear me? Here I'm testing my mic along with the Prism Vibe app installed in this mobile. I need to check the audio video clarity during the stream. Okay. Be safe on roads. Safety comes first of yours as well as of others. अपना भी ध्यान रखो भाई गाड़ी चलाते वक्त और दूसरों का भी. Don't mingle or don't trap into fatal injuries. Speed kills. Speed thrills and kills. Here I'm testing my mic and audio as well as video output after streaming. We'll check this out. And the internet connectivity during the streaming. I'm somewhere passing by monastery area. I'm in somewhere in ISBD. I reach Sound and B approximately in 15 minutes. Sound and B highway. There I'll get the glimpse of the highway while on standing over bridge somewhere as Sound and B. Delhi, Saharanpur, Dehradun Expressway. If you are able to hear me clearly and properly without any interruption, then this test will be fine. Otherwise, need to get new options or okay, here we go. ये wrong side से क्यों आते हैं भाई? It's outer ring road and I'm somewhere coming close to मरगढ़ वाले बाबा का मंदिर, हनुमान जी का मंदिर है यहाँ पर पास में और काफ़ी फेमस है ओल्ड दिल्ली में. बाय द वे मेरा कभी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिला वहाँ जाने का. शायद बहुत पहले कुछ साल पहले गया था वहाँ एक बार. I have to take the left on this side. Okay, be careful. I need to check this live streaming during driving. Here the factor like speed, vehicle speed, as well as internet connectivity, as well as streaming app matter, and the other concern related to the like your input like mic and the clarity of your video. The stability of the video is supposed to be have fixed the your mobile onto some normal. Okay. So I'm reaching there Sound and B overbridge approximately within 10 minutes. I think so. Then I further discuss or do my chat continue over there. This time I was trying to do the TVS SMOL charger checking, but I got only a short cable, short wire, which couldn't reach up to the point to the mobile charger, to the mobile slot. So next time I'll get it the longer one. But still it's charging. There is no issue with that. Here I take left, somewhere Gita Colony. I'm on somewhere Mahatma Gandhi Marg right now. This is the outer ring road. ये शायद मथुरा वगैरह को चला जाता है सीधा मथुरा और चेन्नई में के लिए भी निकल जाता है सीधा रास्ता यहाँ से. अगर आपको चेन्नई जाना हो ऑन माई राइट साइड ITO की तरफ से सीधा निकल रहा है रास्ता. तो पीछे जो मेरी पीठ की तरफ था उस तरफ में है ये लद्दाख, आपका नॉर्थ इंडिया आ जाता है. लाइक आप चंडीगढ़ पहुँच जाते हैं, हरियाणा, शिमला, व्हाट एवर दैट इज. काफ़ी बड़ा ये हाईवे था. But that's outer ring road only. They don't say it's highway. जो कि आगे जाके कनेक्ट होता है हाईवे पर. Roughly speaking, the name of which I remember right now would be 19, highway number 19. As per my knowledge, maybe शायद I need to check this out कि 19 नहीं है, कौन सा है, दिल्ली मथुरा. Okay. Approximately it takes some 5 to 7 minutes to reach over there, someone and B. And the condition depend on the other factor like traffic condition, commuting and fate. Fate, I mean. Destiny, that is destiny and fate. तो जो इसका भी माइक का टेस्टिंग है वो ट्रायल इसका जो चल रहा है माइक टेस्टिंग एंड ऑडियो एंड वीडियो, जैसे स्ट्रीम ख़त्म होगा तो इसको वेरी करेंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेक करना पड़ेगा कि कैसा इसका आउटपुट आया, इसका नतीजा कैसा निकलता है. देन आई गेट सम कंक्लूजन. और प्रिज्म लाइव स्ट्रीट तो ठीक ही काम कर रहा है, इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. अदरवाइज हैवी स्ट्रीमिंग आपको चाहिए होता है सॉफ्टवेयर्स वगैरह लाइक जिसको मोबीएस वगैरह कहते हैं, तो वो काफ़ी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होते हैं. द पर्पस वाज इज टू गेट द आउटपुट, बेटर आउटपुट, आई मीन द बेटर रिजल्ट्स ऑन योर मोबाइल. अगर आप डायरेक्ट लाइव टू यूट्यूब से डायरेक्ट मोबाइल पर स्ट्रीमिंग करेंगे तो यू विल गेट द क्लैरिटी ऑफ द वीडियो एज वेल एज द ऑडियो, क्योंकि उसमें बफरिंग होगा ना स्ट्रीमिंग टाइम, तो उसके बीच में स्ट्रीमर चाहिए, एनकाउडर. इट रिक्वायर्स एनकाउडर टू कैप्चर द रियल टाइम मोमेंट. तो जो प्रिज्म लाइव स्टूडियो वो बीच में यही काम कर रहा है. इट्स लाइक अ मीडिएटर इन बिटवीन दैट इज स्ट्रीमर एनकाउडर. तो हियर आई रीच समवेयर 709B ओवरब्रिज समवेयर गीता कॉलोनी. आई होप सो थोड़ी बहुत यहाँ पर कुछ चैटरिंग की जाए और लेट्स सी किधर ठीक रहता है. ये पेड़ के पीछे हाईवे दिख रहा है मेरे को और इफ आई विल सी दैट if you can hear me, you can say yes in chat box. If not able to hear me, you can say no. Within 5 minutes, I will check without mic, my voice, my audio, and put the glimpse of the highway NS701B. Right now, I'm over bridge somewhere 701B. What is this man doing? So likewise me. अरे भाई ये जगह मिल लीजिए क्या? What is doing right now? Within 5 minutes, I take my mobile off from the mobile holder turn right now. Glimpse of highway 709B on my left hand side. I try to zoom it out. That's highway 709B, Delhi Dehradun. That's 709B, and this side is about somewhere towards Greater Noida, Paris Chowk. Already have spoken yesterday streaming, but the student went properly. तो ये जो है यमुना एक्सप्रेस वे भी निकल जाएगा आगे में, और मेरठ एक्सप्रेस वे. There's my bike. Obsessed with that. Obsession is quite okay, desirable, but too much obsession is a disorder. यहाँ नीचे में you understand it very well. I would not say any word. Lord शिवा का, भगवान महादेव का मूर्ति, और यहाँ can see this clearly. Okay, hope so you like this stream, or maybe I need to check this out, the stream की इसका वीडियो और ऑडियो क्लैरिटी कैसे आता है. मैंने पहले माइक पुट किया था, अब मैं विदाउट माइक के आई close this session, wind up this session right now. Thanks for watching Green Gear Ups. For more updates regarding solo traveling, the more updates regarding the maintenance of bike, as well as the sportically uploader, not a sportically and regular uploader nowadays I'm trying to be, and face the internet issue right now. I'm ending this session. Thank you for watching Green Gear Ups. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Okay, thank you for watching this Green Gear Ups. Please do like, subscribe.